Yo, 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 yo. Hey, we back here again and My Opinion Don't Count. We are doing another episode of Condo Cooking. What's making an appearance for the first time on Condo Cooking history? A dessert. Peach cobbler, but hey, I'm faded and I'm feeling X-rated, so I gotta get going. Let's go. This is not going to be your traditional peach cobbler because we don't have all those ingredients here in Thailand. And Thanksgiving coming up, you want something to whip up, some quick dessert, and you want to take it to somebody's house. This is what's going to get you there. Hey, we're going to start off with some moist cake. We got some. You can use cans or peaches in a jar. We're going to use some brown sugar, and we're going to use some cinnamon. And we're going to add a little bit of vanilla sometimes in there. We're going to top it off with some whipped cream and dried cranberries. This whipped cream here, I got some butter tabs we're going to work with. All right, so let's get going. This is going to be a real quick recipe. All you're going to do is I got a little small pan here I bought from Villa Mart here in Thailand. It is 8 by 5. It's not very big. It's only me. We're going to make a small peach cobbler. So we're gonna just open up our peaches. We're gonna get that good juice in there. You want that juice. Get that juice in there. We can do a few more. We might just do the whole jar. Forget it. All right, so now we're gonna do a few shakes with cinnamon. Here, we're just gonna mix that up. About a tablespoon of additional brown sugar. Mix that up a little bit. We already have preheated our oven to 350 degrees, which is about 180 degrees Celsius for our Eastern folks. We're going to drop a little bit of vanilla in here. This is about a half teaspoon. Boom. So now we're going to take our cake mix. I already had it opened up ready, so I ain't wasting time today. And we're going to sprinkle a little bit in there. Not a lot, just a little bit, because I want to make this sauce a little creamy. So we're just gonna do a little bit like that. We're gonna come back and add some more, but I like to mix a little bit together. That's just how I like to do it. There's different versions of it. This is My Opinion Don't Count the version, so we're gonna work it like this. And after that, we're just gonna go ahead and just sprinkle on top. We're gonna work that all the way across. We're gonna do about a nice 1/4-inch layer like that. I don't know if we're gonna use the whole bag on this, but we're gonna level that out, see where we at, see how deep we are. We might just go ahead and put the whole bag on there, folks. Too much. Let's do this real quick. Oh no! Oh, I spilled that. Y'all seen that? That's live here on My Opinion Don't Count. Just made a mess. Hopefully Pim can edit this out somewhere. Hopefully Pim can edit this out somewhere. Too much. Alright, we're gonna take a little sugar, sprinkle on there. We're doing this on the fly. You see how we do this? We're doing this on the fly. I just started this. Just put a little sugar in between. This will probably be extra sweet. But I'll take it though. Gotta make sure we keep our diabetes right. And we're gonna put another little layer on there. But that sugar will make it kind of crispy. It'll make it like a little crispy layer underneath. You'll see when we go to plate it up at the end. Alright. So I'm gonna just do a couple of these. See that? I'm trying to bring some of that juice up top. Level it back out. Of course. Alright. We're gonna take our butter. Let's get this butter opened up. This butter only cost me 40 baht. Oh, spilled it again. Oh, we are on the roll here. Maybe I should just put the cap on it. Might be smart. Considering this little thing of vanilla probably cost me about 200 baht. I'm wasting it. It's all right. Keep it going. All right, so now we're at the part where we're gonna put the butter on top. We're gonna form, which is gonna help form a nice crust on top. Sweet crust. We're gonna put some more brown sugar on top, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our fork and just butter out of here. Still kind of hard. Should be able to work with it. Yep, there you go. We're gonna drop that butter in there like that. Get all this little butter out of here. All right, here we go. We're gonna do a little bit of cinnamon on top again. A little bit. You see that? And then we're gonna come back with just some more of this good brown sugar. All right, so we're ready to hit the oven. We got our oven again preheated at 350, 180 degrees Celsius. And we are going to go in the oven for maybe about 45 minutes. We'll let it cook and take a look at it and see how it goes. So hey, y'all stay tuned. All right, we'll be right back. We'll be pulling out the oven. Soon we'll be plating and tasting. Let's see. Stand by. All right, we back. You didn't have to wait for it, I did, so let's see it. Let's take it out the oven. Oven mitts. Let's see what it looked like. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. He hot. Ooh. Ooh, look good. It looks delicious, as you can see. It looks delicious. We got a little whipped cream and a little dried cranberries here for color, just to make it look a little better. So we're gonna test this out. Amazing. All right, let's test it out. Get one of these peaches in here. Here we go. Of course, that's amazing. Get some of this whipped cream in here. Get some of this cake portion. I was just gonna have a little bit, but I can't help myself. It's freaking delicious. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I ain't gonna let y'all sit here and watch me eat all this. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We have TikTok, we have Facebook, and we have Instagram up and running now. So go ahead and look over there and like and comment and follow all our other platforms too. Hey, thank you for watching. This has been another episode of Condo Cooking. Hey, my opinion don't count. This is Daryl. I'm out. See you later.